Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I put up a video a while back on some airbrushing concerns I was having with some MCW. Come to find out, I solved my problem here, and I am too thin on the thinner, on the reducer. I don't have enough in it for the mix. So what I've come up with, it's about a 60-40 split. And that seems to be working really good for me. Check my air pressure, change the needles in my airbrush. Now I did get a new airbrush. So I thought maybe that was the issue. I usually use a siphon feed Pache. It's a VL dual action, and it's a gravity feed, and it's a siphon. And like I say, that thing usually works pretty good. But I ended up picking up this 0.0 gravity feed. And the thing looks just like an Iwata, but I'm sure it's just one of those knockoff things, you know. Anyways, I've been trying this out, and so my hazing problem I was having is the paint was just going on too dry. That's the problem, I thought. So that's why I was eating it up, because it's just not covering, you know. I'm basically putting more air out than I'm paint. So yeah, I think I got it. I think we're good. So yeah, so I reshot the bird, and it looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it, and it's going to stay blue. So anyways, I did get some Ford engine paint, and I believe in this car the engine was silver originally. Not quite sure. I have to do a little more homework on that one, but so I actually painted this Ford engine blue, and I didn't tell my wife yet, but I painted her SVO model engine too, because she had it done, but I had extra paint in a cup, and I thought, just dump it out. You know, you don't want to waste it, right? So I shot that, so she'll find out in a little bit. So there you go. Got her all set for you. Hope you like it. Okay. So anyways, yeah. Okay, well, hey, let me show you the model, and I'll show you where we're at. Hold on. So yes, this actually turned out pretty nice. This looks really good. Nice and shiny all the way down and around. Look at that. Yes, sir. That painted out really good. Let's see, I'm pretty happy with that. So, you can see that almost that instruction sheet on the wall there. And there's no clear coat. It's just right out of the baba. So it turned out really nice. So I ended up having enough, because I ended up just using the rest of the jar. So I painted the under the hood, and also painted the firewall. I was looking through some of the books and stuff, and they showed the firewall painted in most of the pictures. So that's what we did. So yeah, other than that, super cool, super happy with it. So it turned out pretty nice. So I'm gonna let this cure for a bit. I do have the hardener, and it's pretty dry to the touch. It's not even tacky, and I don't have no incubator or whatever to dry it or anything. It's just been sitting here in the room. So I also redid the tonneau cover, because I thought, yeah, and that turned out very nice just as well. So I thought, cool, it turned out good. And of course the hood, I didn't have to redo that. That was still looking pretty right standing already. So the hood, that still looks pretty good. But so yeah, so then that I painted these engines, and this is the bird motor so far, and I thought, man, that turned out pretty good. I'm not overly crazy about it being shiny. I might hit it with dull coat, because most engines aren't usually shiny, you know, right from the get-go. But so I gotta hit the trans and all that good stuff. But like I was saying, look at the detail of that motor. Isn't that crazy? That's pretty cool. Especially like the head work and detail on it, and all the freeze plugs, and just very, very detailed, for an older kit. Super cool. Like I say, the carburetors on this thing, it's got the tri-power carburetors. Let's see, I got back here. So the carburetors are in 2 halves. And Just amazing, the detail in those carburetors. I mean, you see the ventures in them and everything. Super cool. So that's half the kit. And I don't know what I did with the other half. Well, it's still in the tree. I haven't painted it yet. So here's the other half of the carburetors. So I'm going to paint that. It's kind of like the mid base of the carburetor. So I'm going to paint those silver. And then I'll paint the very base, like that bottom base right there. I'll paint that in gold. So that'll look pretty cool. And air cleaner, I'm going to do in black. The base of the air cleaner. And then it's got the top chromy top. So yeah, guys, I got my my problem figured out here, and I'm very pleased with it. So it's looking good, and we'll get some more build on this bird, and we'll go from there. So hey, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Just a quick video tonight. So I'm gonna do some more work on this model tonight and see how far I can get. So other than that, you guys have a great one, and we will catch you next time around. Thanks for watching.